Hi, it's me again, Meley. Okay, let me get straight to it. See, I can't even talk right now. Anyways, so today I'm going to be making something I saw on YouTube by this YouTuber CCME. You can go to our YouTube profile account, and watch this video. I don't remember what it's called, but anyways, just watch this video over there. She does a better job. So basically, she fried this whole plantain, got a whole plantain, fried, divided and curved it as you can see I'm doing right here, and created basically a whole in. And she made something else to fill it with, and I didn't have what she made. I think it was beans that she made, and so instead I would just be using meat. By the way, the song playing in the background is my new singles that's out from my album Journey. The title of my single is Tropical. Basically, this video is to promote that single. So enjoy while you watch me cook and mix whatever. Anyway, so this is the filling that I'm going to be making. I just added salt. This is chicken gizzard. I just added salt, Nigerian suya spice, Cameroon pepper, curry, garlic, and also thyme or thyme. You see, I'll pronounce it the way we pronounce it in Nigeria. Thyme, not thyme. All right, so I'm just going to mix it in. You want all of the seasoning to get into what you're making. And now it's time to stir fry. So I put in a little bit of oil just so it's I can fry it, and then I'm just going to be turning it around, moving it around, doing all of that. Basically trying to get it fry, not burn it. And you'll see in a moment I'm going to add a little bit of water just so I can get a little bit of juice out of it, whatever, just to make it glossy. Oil and water, you add it together and then to be glossy like lipstick, like lip gloss. And then once that is done, basically I'm going to just move this around a little bit and then cover it up and let it fry. I'm just trying to adjust the camera for people so that people can see what I am doing very well. Now I'm done frying it. I feel like it's ready. So this sauce that I'm adding, it's a sauce that I made in my previous video. I will put the link in the description below so you can go over there and check how I made the sauce. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to it. Now mind you, this sauce is very spicy, so when you go over there to watch the video, you can basically put the amount of spice or pepper that you can take. If you don't like spice, don't go and kill yourself. I'm Nigerian and I don't like too much spice, but most of our things are pretty spicy. Like that flavor and the spiciness, it's just so amazing. Just like the flavor and the spiciness in the song that you are listening to. And I'm going to put a link to my song in the description below so you can go and stream it. Please stream. Thank you very much. Now it's time for me to fry the plantain. Some of you may be like, well, you didn't rinse the pan, you didn't do this. I didn't rinse it because I want the flavor and everything from what I just previously fried, from the gizzard and the sauce, everything to enter and dance around my plantain. And I cut small, like extra small plantains around because I had them laying around in my kitchen. So I just cut it, just so I can eat something extra, because that one plantain will not satisfy me. It won't satisfy anybody. And once I'm done frying this, I'm just gonna take it out and basically I'll be done, honestly. Now you see that one that I just put there, that's basically the cutout that I got from the whole plantain. And some people may be like, why do you put it inside there? It's not fine. I'm not going to waste it. It's still food. Last. So enjoy. Now it's all fried. It's all done. And last thing left to do is to eat. It is. That day I ate this with, wine. It was apple cider. But here in America, they have apple cider. It's a fancy bottle of wine. I know I'm acting so local right now. Anyways, guys, that's all. Please like and subscribe, and go to the description below to stream my new song Tropical, off from my album Journey. I hope you enjoy the song. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Bye.